back to another edition of PV Crazy for Food. So weather is changing. It's cold outside today. So weather-wise, fall is coming. And today I am visiting Pizza here in Cottrell in Brampton. So let's go in, order some food, and we will do the food review. So this is Pizza from Brampton. Can you make it Indian style, please? Cooked well. And give me one garlic bread with cheese. And one,
Anything else?
and one Panzerotti.
Pepperoni, cheese, like which one you want?
Pepperoni.
Anything else? Sir?
You gonna bake it or you gonna fry it?
It's up to you. You want baked or you want fried?
Huh?
It's up to you. You want baked or fried?
Which is good. Which is good.
I never tried pepperoni. I never tried Panzarotti. Lots of people take fried.
Fried? Okay, give me fried then.
Anything else?
Well done. That's it for now. Yeah, and Coke. 3 Cokes.
It comes with it.
Oh, it comes with?
Yeah.
Okay.
23.75.
And what about dips?
None dip. You have to order dipping sauce.
So blue cheese, 1 blue cheese and 1 jalapeno.
It will take 50.
So this over here is their display counter with all the pizzas that are on display. So they have New York pepperoni pizza. Then they have this one over here. It says feature slice. So that's their like everyday one that they make. And then this is the veggie slice. So you can take your slice, just the slice they sell. And this over here is spicy barbecue slice. That's how the spicy barbecue looks like. This over here is classic super slice with pepperoni and mushrooms and then green peppers. This is deep dish. So this is our veggie pizza, Indian style. It's cooked well. See from the bottom. Here's the garlic bread with cheese. So they gave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 slice my son ate. So 5 slices in 1 pack. What it comes. So you see pepperoni, cheese. That is Panzarotti for you guys. Yum. So let's take a bite. This is Panzerotti, guys. Just see the pepperoni, the cheese, the oil, and it's fried on top of that. Cheers, guys. food at Pizza. So let's start with this one. This is the garlic bread with cheese. Man, this was served hot and it was so good, delicious, crispy, hot. Well, it's oily because that's what you expect from a fast food. But taste wise, I would say it could have been better if they put some, toppings on it, like some vegetable toppings on the garlic bread. It can become better, more tastier. But this one is not bad. Favorite calzone or Panzerotti that you say. Many people say calzone, many people say Panzerotti. Oh man, this is absolutely huge. And it's only $9, $10 including taxes. And this is loaded with cheese, loaded with pepperoni. Man, this is so good. This is so good. I love that. I didn't took the baked version. I took the fried version. And it was crispier from outside. Inside it's gooey and filled with, like it's see. You can see the heat coming out. Pizza, man. Love this pizza. It's cooked well. That's why I always say to them, cooked well. This is a veggie I took. Veggie pizza. Indian style. This is Indian style. My food, guys, at Pizza. This location is in Brampton at Cottrell. Staff was really welcoming and food was served in 15 minutes. Everything, Panzarotti, garlic bread and the pizza. Thoroughly enjoyed everything. Pizza was good, Panzarotti was amazing and garlic bread was yum. Overall score for the food, I will give them 7.5 out of 10. Pizza was Indian style pizza. And it had green chilies, coriander. When you put that becomes Indian style pizza. And it was well done. I always like my pizza well done. And Panzerotti was fried. Some say it calzone, some say Panzerotti. But it was oozing out with cheese and pepperoni. So that was so good. This place is so busy. Like behind me, there are so many customers. So what it tells about restaurant that the food is fresh all the time because the food is moving. So the food is fresh. So that's what I really like. So yeah, so 7.5 out of 10 for Pizza. That was a review for Pizza. Thanks for joining PV Crazy for Food channel and see you in next vlog. Take care. Bye.